If your business feels like it's running through molasses, even though your team is working hard, the problem may not be the people. It is usually a system issue. Hi, I'm Nikki, the Operations Manager at Wow Success Team. This week, we're breaking down the real bottlenecks that slow trades, events, and service-based businesses down. Our blog for this week is about what's actually slowing you down. It's not what you think. Number 1, tool overload is equivalent to decision fatigue. If you're using Google Sheets for job tracking, email for client updates, Slack for internal communication, Trello for project tasks, and text messages for urgent changes, none of it is connected. Everyone's in 5 places at once, and you are the only one who sees the full picture. Well, you can fix this by consolidate and connect and a single source of truth, like DevStride for projects or Pipedrive for sales. It will save hours of back and forth and miscommunication. Number 2, unclear roles is equals to slow follow through. If your team doesn't know who's responsible, what done looks like, or where to find the info they need, they'll default to waiting or asking you. To fix this, you have to define the roles by outcome, not just titles. Use dashboard or SOPs to clarify who owns what and what success looks like. Remember, clarity is equals to speed. Number 3, manual process is equal to hidden time sinks. When little tasks add up, like manually assigning jobs, rewriting the same onboarding email, and double checking which invoice went out, they feel fast. But over a month, you've lost dozens of hours. As a fix, automate repeatable steps. One well-placed like Zapier or Suit-Flow can save 5+ hours per week. Number 4, you're the only one who knows the plan. If your team cannot answer what's the priority for today, or where's the client at in the pipeline, or what's waiting on who, then you're the system, and that is dangerous. To fix that, use visual project management tools. Create weekly team check-ins and make sure no tasks lives only in your head. Number 5, you built for survival, not for scale. Most business owners build their system while trying to keep up with demand. It works barely until growth makes the crack obvious. That's the stage many of our clients come to us in, and it's actually not a failure. It's a sign you're ready for the next level. And if you're ready to identify and fix what's slowing you down, grab the Operations Bottleneck Finder for free with the link on this post. Once again, I'm Nikki, the Operations Manager at Wow Success Team, and we help service-based businesses scale smarter with the right tech and systems. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye.